Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about web-based organ donation and transplantation management system. It is our abstract. Organ donation and transplantation bring hope to many by providing a renewed chance at life for those who with organ failure. The organ donation and transplantation system streamlines the organ donation process, connecting the donors, recipients, and hospitals. The donors can easily register, donate organs, and track their contribution through the platform. The recipients can smoothly request organ and monitor their status and receive updates on the transplantation process using this platform. The hospital oversees this entire process and ensuring a transparent and efficient workflow from donor registration to organ transplantation. The web-based organ donation and transplantation management system transforms organ donation by providing a user-friendly online platform. This platform ensures the robust authentication, monitoring by the hospitals, guaranteeing the security and legitimacy of user request. The Organ Transact Hub aims to enhance the accessibility, transparency, and efficiency in organ transplantation through web-based technologies. It is our flow diagram. First we see the patient module. If the patient have already account means they may log in, otherwise they register their details and wait for admin authentication. Once the account will be authenticated, the patient will log in with his username and password and send it redirect to the patient dashboard. In this, they can view their profile details, or otherwise they can register for organ transplantation. Once they register, they can view their transplantation status. After completing the process, the patient can log out. And then now we see the donor module. The donor have already account means they may log in with his username and password. Otherwise, they may register details and wait for admin authentication. Once login, they can view their profile details. If the donor want to donate organ means they may register for organ donation. Once registered, they can view their organ donated details. After completing the process, the donor can log out. Now we see the hospital module. The hospital administrator can log in with his username and the password. After successful login, they send redirect to the administrator dashboard, from which the admin can authorize the donor and the patient and have the ability to add the new organ and also view the existing organ details and also view the organ donator details and the organ transplantation details. After verifying that, he can accept the donor and the patient request, and the hospital administrator can view the donation graph and a transplantation graph. After completing the process, the administrator can log out. Now we see our output. First go to the file and run that. It is our home page. You may click here. First we see the patient module. If the patient have already account means they may enter their details, otherwise they register. I already registered, so I log in with my username and the password. It is the patient dashboard. In this, the patient can view their profile details, and also if the patient need organ means they may register for organ transplantation and send the request. The request will be successfully centered. You can check their status of organ transplantation request. You see, after completing the process, the patient can log out. Now we see the donor module. The donor have already account means they may enter their username and password. Otherwise, they register for creating a new account. I already registered, so I log in with my username and password. It is the donor dashboard. By clicking the view profile, they can view their profile information. If the user want to donate organ means they may register for organ donation and they send the request to the administrator. By clicking the organ details, you can check the status of organ donation. If you want to log out means you may click the logout option. Now we see the hospital module. In this, the administrator can enter their username and password. It is the administrator dashboard. By clicking the patients, the administrator can view the new patient account registration. After validating that, he may authorize the users and also view the new donor account creation request, and the administrator can also authorize the donors and also add the new organs. The organ will be added successfully. And view the organ donation request and also view the organ need request. By clicking the processing, you can see the status changing, and click the waiting option. In this, it will show the related donor list based on the user blood group and organ type, and click the select option after transplantation done. Now we see the donation graph. You can see the graph. In this, we plot the graph based on its donated count. Now we see the transplantation graph. In this, you can see the transplantation graph based on its transplanted count. After completing the process, the administrator can log out.